So we here on a construction site, and I'm here with the GC.
Yes, sir. My name is Marvin. Won't give out the full government, but Marvin right there.
Who do you work for, Marvin? What's the name of the company?
Working for Jossa right here on the shirt, Jossa NYC Group. We do any interior work. We do exterior, dabble into some of that as well. We are in the tri-state area all over, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, everywhere.
What we got going on here?
Here we're at the Bronx right now. We're making a school. So I got Ant over here alongside me. He's making the fire alarm system, and he's accommodating the walls that we're building up. So we make classrooms, hallways, offices.
What are the trades that we have working here? What's some of the trades we have?
We got a lot. We got electricians. Like I said, we have Ant-Man himself.
What do I do?
Fire alarm. He makes sure we secure up in here.
So that way I'm not saying it myself.
Exactly. So we got him over here. He doing the hookups for that, making sure we get devices once we primed up and stuff. But we got him. We got the carpenters, which is us. We got the masonry guys as well. They patching up whatever the plumbers had to run their pipes through. We got the plumbers in here. We got electricians. We got HVAC. The whole project is moving with everybody that you could think of.
That's nice.
Even IT guys is over here, low voltage.
So this is a pretty well-rounded project with a lot of different trades. So I know there's probably going to be some young guys out there that's probably going to want to get into either general contracting or maybe some other trades. What would be some tips that you can give them for your jobs that you do?
Correct.
For someone else that's trying to look at doing something like that.
To get yourself dabbled into it, I'm not going to lie to you, you do have to have some form of connections. Of course, there's always other ways as alternatives. Connections is always the fastest route, The connection you could build up while you're even working as a laborer, You could come in at a construction site, you could ask for work, come in as a laborer. You see GCs, you see foremans, you ask them, hey, you guys have a spot? And I've seen, and I've done that myself as well. I've gotten people like that. And it works out like that because for somebody that's in a position already as a foreman or supervisor, if somebody is familiar in the area and they're looking for work, somebody's vouching for them, we're without a heartbeat, we're going to be like, okay, try them out, because we're not just gonna go around. Fortunately, that's not how it works. We're not gonna go walk around. Somebody's telling me I'm looking for work right off the street. We're not gonna be like, come here.
Right.
If you're around the area, if people know you, like say a worker knows you, be like, hey, one of my friends need work or something like that. It's always a good way. Connections, definitely very helpful to get in the industry.
So definitely connections and definitely not being afraid to jump on the job
jump
site.
away, 100%. You could come into it. I've seen people done it. I haven't done it personally myself, but I've seen people done it, but they've come to job sites and they ask them, hey, you guys need a hand? And it's up to the person now if they want to take whatever job's available because it's construction, It's not, you don't pick what you have. It's what's
available.
Exactly.
It's what's available.
So if you have laboring, you have to be sweeping, if you have to do that. And that's the way you get your foot into the industry. That's the way, you get in.
Right.
And most of the way I'm saying labor, because most of the time that's how it is.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to tell you.
You got to start from the bottom.
Nobody's going to grab you and be like, yo, you're going to be an apprentice for electrician, or that's weightless. If you don't want to go that route, that's just the route you have to go.
Right.
So it's definitely a way it could happen. I've seen it happen. People have been brought in like that and they stayed with companies like that,
Nice.
So it's definitely some form we could get in there.
You got social medias?
I do have social media.
Tell people what your social media.
I got personal social medias. Give y'all the Instagram.
The Instagram, yeah.
The Instagram. That's the personal one there. It's brokeboy.suave. Okay.
We both
so that's how it is. Okay. You can't make too much noise, man. You gotta keep it silent.
There you go. All right, so we'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Marv,
yes, sir.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You know that.